Oh, pink, sorry. It's pink. I don't buy the clear one. Dang, this got thick fast. Good, Naughty, because it's the best. Okay guys, I think it's time for a changing of the sponge. I'll leave her in. We'll just, no, I'll take her out. No, don't. Hands, pink, Canadian. Oh yeah, that's a vibe. It smells so good. Oh. Oh, heavy. You know what's weird is it kind of smells like pink panelin. Yes, we can, China. I scrub it out. Oh my gosh, it just rolled right off. It does, it kind of smells like pink panelin. Hi, April. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Yeah, pink lemonade. I just love that this smells like nothing I've ever smelled in Clean Talk yet. I just feel like I haven't had any new smells in a long time. It's so exciting. It smells so good. I would never know how to explain the scent though. Yeah, I think the best way I can describe that scent, let me look at it. The best way I can describe the scent is it kind of does smell like pink panelin. Thanks, Dave. Yeah, Naughty. Hi, Rachel. Welcome back. Holy splatter. Wait. Pink Panalin's pretty floral. Like, a lot of people don't like it. Yeah, there's some cans. Charisma. What? Hello. We just added a couple cans. That was delicious. I also want to replay those. This sponge is a squirter. It keeps squirting at my shirt. Ooh, ooh. It's a who? Oh, she's mean. Someone get a towel. Woo. Hi, V. Okay. What? Guys, I fear this may be my new laundry powder, and I bought it 6 hours from my house. What? Gosh, the powder never comes out. Let's make these large and in charge. Oh, great ash. Oh my god, I can't even move it. They're so heavy. I know it does. You got it, Voca. Woo! That dust cloud hit me in the face. I just love that it's a brand new smell that I've never smelled. Except my can, a lot of my cans are OG, so I don't know what color we're about to get at the end. Oh God. Hey Dee, hey Ash. Here, have a little taste. Oh, I forgot one. Thank you, Squeeze Me. Deliciosa. Hey B. Ooh, strawberry milkshake. B. What you doing, girl? What you doing to me? You're spoiling me. Fine. Habits. Collection of that. I do. My entire dishwasher holds all my sponges. I do have Hello Kitty. She is doing her big one. Actually, everyone is, to be fair. I need to get an actual epoxy. Getting some clumpies. Sorry, I have a horrible habit of feeling the need to get all the clumps. I will chill. I'm kidding you. I already forgot what I said. Oh, I just like, and then I realized you're all just sitting there watching me do it and I feel bad, but I don't like the clumps. If I'm annoying to watch, you can scroll away, my darling. My beautiful darling. Kelly. Hey. Hey, doll. Okay.